Right, let's go. Start on 60. Take guard for me, Jairam. Take guard. That's middle. Yeah, that's middle. And take guard with your front foot as well. So take guard further up the pitch. Away from you. More. That's middle. That's it. Jairam, come on. The second ball, yeah? Have a look what's going on. Good lead, good, great lead. Move that one out of the way. Good. Good, keep straight for me. Jairam, widen your base a little bit. Widen your stance just a bit for me. Be very narrow and weight on that front foot, yeah? Head over that front foot slightly. Get that weight on that front foot. Lovely shape, good. Good, try and keep those hands a bit tighter to your body. Yeah, keep that left hand tighter to your body, yeah. Good. Lovely shape, lean straight. So Jairam, if someone's swinging the ball away from us, where are we looking to hit them? Covers is square, isn't it? So in my mind, if I'm batting, I'm looking to hit them very straight through mid-on or wide mid-off. Because if I go wider than that, the back path is then going out towards extra cover and the ball's coming from here. Yeah, if I'm hitting them through mid-off, at least my back path is coming through behind the line of that ball. All right? Okay, that you coming in. Turn the speed down here. Got lovely shape. Better. Lovely shape. Lean into it, Jairam, to upright. Yeah, we did lean into the ball. Don't try and launch it, just stroke it. Lean into it. Alright, concentrate. Alright, lovely shape, good. Good, right, up you come. Down you go. Bring a few of those balls back with you, please, Jairam. Ready, Jailaksh? What guard are you on? Okay, ready? Right, try and move. Go front foot to the ball first, then we hit it, not together, yeah? You know, your bat and your pad go together, break it up. Good, well watch. Good. Alright, what dictates whether you can drive a ball, Jay? What dictates that you can drive it? Yeah, how close you get your left foot to the pitch of the ball. So your left foot needs to be really close to the pitch and then I can drive it. Was that last one, could you get your left foot to the ball? No, so think about the length we're driving then, yeah? We've got to look to defend it. Well, watch. Good. Good, Jailaksh. Get your balance. Get balance for me. Shot. Lovely shot. Was it a hard volley? Nowhere near. That's why it's gone to a chipped it to extra cover. Keep picking your length. Alright, move that yellow one. Jailaksh, I need you lining up to this middle stump, yeah? Left shoulder, left elbow. In line with that stump. Get round a little bit more. Good. Lovely shot. Beautiful shot. Couple more. Good shot. Lovely shot, Jailaksh. Right, see that back coming through straight. Front foot closer to the ball. Shot. Beautiful shot, Jailaksh. Last two. Shot. Lovely shot. Alright, good. Last one. Alright. One more. One more. Right, up we come. Up we come. Jailaksh, we're hitting those with just our top hand, yeah? Okay, come do what your brother's been doing while you're waiting.